Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Heidi. I'm completely blind so I don't look directly at you, but I promise I'm right here with you. So today I am doing a requested video. One of you asked that I compare Cream Velvet by Cartelage, Eclair by Lattafa and Vanilla Voyage by Maison Asrar. So that is what I'm going to do today. So apparently all three these fragrances have been inspired by Bianco Latte. Now I have never smelled that fragrance, so I'm not going to compare it to that one. I'm just going to compare it to each other and tell you if I can only buy one, which one would I buy? I think you already have a hunch which one it would be. But anyway, so let me tell you, I took this task very seriously. A biggest part of my job is actually research. So I really approach this as a research project. So firstly, I took 3 socks. Yes, it was clean socks. And I sprayed each one with the different fragrance. Then I also took 3 papers, just sticky notes. I sprayed them also with these fragrances. I sprayed the fragrances on different parts of my body, on different parts of my clothes, and I wore them, each one of them, I wore separately, probably twice during this month already. So I really wanted to make sure that when I come on here, I really tell you what I think of these fragrances. So where shall we start? Let's start with the notes. So if we look at the notes, what we see here is that Vanilla Voyage and Cream Velvet really have exactly the same notes. So the notes they have are, in the top there's caramel and butter, in the heart there's tonka, honey and jasmine, and in the base there's vanilla, amber and musk. Exactly the same. Now Eclair is where the notes differ. By Eclair, in the top there's caramel, milk and sugar, so no butter. In the mid there's honey and white flowers, and in the base there's vanilla, praline and musk. But let that not be deceiving. So let's start with performance. On both skin, paper, clothes and socks, what I found was, like, after 2 hours, I really struggled to smell Eclair and Cream Velvet. I could smell Eclair a bit more, but Cream Velvet really disappeared. I don't know if it still has to macerate a bit. I now probably have it for 4 weeks. So it's already a tiny bit stronger than it was, but it's still at the moment the weakest performer. Vanilla Voyage by far outperformed these two on all the occasions, the various chances I gave it. And yesterday I actually had it all 3 on my pajamas, and this morning when I woke up, all that I could smell was Vanilla Voyage. The other 2 completely disappear. Now I know a lot of people say that Eclair is really a beast. Compared to Vanilla Voyage, I would say no. Eclair and Cream Velvet last a bit longer on clothes and on skin than on paper. I would say about 3 or 4 hours, but Vanilla Voyage, that lasts for about 8 to 10 hours because I could smell it the next morning if I put it on my pajamas the previous evening. So in terms of smell, it was very interesting for me. And perhaps you have a similar experience, perhaps you have a different experience. I really would love to know, because everything I saw on the internet really, or on YouTube, really was not my experience. I had quite a different experience. So for me, Eclair and Cream Velvet, let me compare them first, and then I will bring in Vanilla Voyage. So Eclair and Cream Velvet open very differently. Eclair for me open like vanilla essence, or do you call it vanilla extract? Here in South Africa we say vanilla essence. You know, the ingredient that you throw into food directly. That's what the opening smells like to me. Vanilla essence. There's a bit of milkiness in the top, but mostly I get that vanilla. Cream velvet, on the other hand, this one, opens sweeter and more ice creamy. I've heard that people say it's buttery. For me, it's more creamy, ice creamy. So it opens sweeter than Eclair. I prefer Cream Velvet's opening to Eclair's opening. So if you can imagine the difference between a vanilla essence opening versus a creamy ice cream opening. But, and here's the thing for me. For me, the dry down is basically the same. I honestly cannot smell a difference in the dry down. If you would have, had these two on paper and, gave me a paper and said, okay, guess which one, I wouldn't have been able to tell you which one. Honestly, for me, both dry down to this very vanilla, milky fragrance, but there's something else going on there. I don't know if it's the amber that I'm smelling. It smells a bit like ambroxan, to be honest. I've never heard that anyone said that before, so I would love to know if any one of you have that experience. So it's that sort of vanilla, soft, milky, very pleasant dry down, very pleasant. I really like these two fragrances, but once again, Eclair performed a bit better than Cream Velvet. Now, moving to Vanilla Voyage. Now, I know people compare the three, and I can see why, because this is also a milky vanilla. But for me, it's nothing the same. For me, it's not the same smell. These two are the same, 100%. Dry down, same. Opening a bit different, but dry down, the same. This one, in the first place, is sweeter in the opening. And instead of an ice creamy or vanillic scent, what I get is vanilla, milk, and a buttery biscuit fragrance. That is exactly what I get. So honestly, when I sprayed it on myself on paper, all my tests, I would be able to distinguish Vanilla Voyage from the other two easily. It is so different. So I can 100% say having this fragrance and one of these two will not be redundant. Having both Eclair and Cream Velvet for me will be redundant, but not Vanilla Voyage. For me, they are in the same family, but whereas Cream Velvet and Eclair are sisters, this one is a cousin. This one for me is way buttery, more buttery than the others. It is like a shortbread biscuit almost. You smell that butter, you smell that sugar, you smell that milk. So in a way, I would say, is it a bit deeper? Almost a little bit denser. Oh, but it opens also with, it's so sweet, that opening. That opening is sweet and vanilla and milk and buttery. But as it dries down, as it develops, you will get most probably that biscuity, edible scent that is a bit denser than these two. in my opinion. So if I have to choose between the three, I will 100% choose Vanilla Voyage. It is a better smell, a better fragrance to me. It smells the most pleasant. Not that these two don't smell pleasant. They do smell pleasant a lot. You know, they really smell pleasant. Make no mistake. But this one for me is more pleasant. It's my favorite if I have to compare. And I would 100%, and it performs better, and I would 100% repurchase. So just all in all, I find this one more pleasant. I find it similar to these two, but 100% not the same. Do you guys have these three? I would really like to know if you have these three fragrances and what you think of it, how it performs on you, what you think of the dry down. I would really like to know, and which one you prefer. Do you also think Vanilla Voyage is a lot different than these two? Please let me know. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today for this very short video. I really appreciate you all, and until Friday, bye for now.